SoftBank-backed e-commerce platform Meesho will open its initial public offering or IPO on Wednesday, December 3rd. The company has set the price band at 105 to 111 rupees per equity share. As per IPO Watch, the grey market premium on Meesho shares stands at 30% or 33 rupees per equity share. At the upper price limit, the IPO size totals at 5,421 crore rupees. Talking about the issue structure, fresh issue includes 38.29 crore shares totaling 4,250 crore rupees, and the offer for sale includes 10.55 crore shares totaling 1,171 crore rupees. The anchor investor allocation is scheduled for Tuesday, December 2nd. Investors can apply for Meesho IPO in a lot size of 135 equity shares and multiples thereafter. Meesho IPO has reserved not less than 75% of the shares in the public issue for qualified institutional buyers and not more than 15% for non-institutional investors, and not more than 10% of the offer is reserved for retail investors. Tentatively, Meesho IPO's basis of allotment of shares will be finalized on Monday, December 8th, and the company will initiate refunds on Tuesday, December 9th. The shares will be credited to the demat accounts of allottees on the same day following the refund. Meesho shares are likely to be listed on the BSE and the NSE on Wednesday, December 10th. The promoters hold an 18.5% stake in Meesho, while public shareholders own 81.5% of the shares. The largest shareholders in the company include Elevation Capital, Prosus Naspers Ventures, Peak XV Partners, followed by SoftBank-backed SVF2 Meerkat and Westbridge Crossover Fund. The budget-friendly e-commerce platform plans to allocate 1,390 crore rupees of the fresh issue proceeds for enhancing cloud infrastructure at its subsidiary Meesho Technologies, and 1,020 crore rupees towards marketing and branding efforts of the same subsidiary. In addition, 480 crore rupees will be designated for covering salaries of current employees and new hires within the machine learning and AI technology teams for developing initiatives carried out by the same subsidiary, while the remaining funds from the fresh issue aimed at supporting inorganic growth and general corporate purposes. Founded by Vidit Atre and Sanjeev Kumar, Meesho claims to be India's largest e-commerce players by orders and annual transacting users over the 12 months ending September 2025. The company's listed peers include Eternal, Swiggy, Brainbee Solutions, Nykaa, Vishal Megamart, Trent, and DMart. Meesho has reduced its losses to 700 crore rupees for the 6 months ending September 2025, down from a loss of 2,512 crore rupees in the same period last year. During this period, the revenue increased by 29.40%, reaching 5,577 crore rupees, up from rupees 4,311 crore rupees.